So I often talked about how the Wim Hof method makes me connect with nature, be one with nature. And I often had trouble to feel this during the winter time. But with the Wim Hof method, I have this feeling that even in the winter, I would like to touch nature. I would like to walk barefoot. I would like to go into the ice. It's just calling. Before that, that was not even an issue. It was not even a topic to go inside into the lake. But now the calling is there. If the calling is there, you can make it happen. You know that you're strong enough. And today we're doing it. It's Christmas Eve day, nice sunshine also. So we're going into the lake because it is calling. Connection with nature, no matter if summer or winter, that's the power, because nature is good for you. Grounding, healthy. Our ancestors were always doing it. We bring the power back now. All the sound. Ice is strong, huh?
Yes. Is ice colder?
So, horse dance. This was a strong experience. Now the exercises that we're doing here to warm up really make sense. And it can happen that you even have a little bit of a cold shock. And it is important that you keep the calm. Breathing, and you know that it's all right. Your body can do this. You have the strength. Don't stress. I started stressing a little bit. It can happen. Just calm yourself down. Know about the breathing. It'll be all right. It'll be all right. Don't stay too long in the beginning also. And keep doing the exercises. Take them seriously. Bring the blood flow back. Don't underestimate, but also don't deny the calling. Be one with nature.